Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video we're going to talk about this one. Don't throw your pears to swine, or without your. Don't throw pears to swine. And what does it mean? Well, pears are considered to be very expensive and valuable, okay? So it is over here, we are not talking about pears. It is not used when we are talking about pears. Sometimes maybe the pears themselves as well, but sometimes we are talking about something valuable, and this represents that. Maybe the valuable thing is your knowledge, maybe the valuable thing is your time, and you are throwing that to swine, okay? Pigs. Swine is another way of saying pig. Okay, so this is from Bible. But what does it mean? Why do we use it? Where do we use it? Imagine you are giving your time, your energy, your knowledge, your money, your, I don't know, something valuable to somebody and help them, or you're doing something with a friend, but the friend really doesn't appreciate that. Okay, then imagine you are concerned about someone's, let's say, health, and you talk to them, you advise them, you provide them with some, let's say, books and equipment and lots of other things, and then the person says, why bothered? Why should I do this? And then you understand that you are giving them something that they really do not deserve. They do not appreciate what you are doing for them. Okay, in these cases, someone might tell you, don't throw your pear to swine. In this case, the pear is your advice, your time, your energy, or the equipment that you provide the person with. You are giving that for free, or for just a cheap price, I don't know. Anyway, you are giving that away, and over here swine is the friend who's not bothered and really do not appreciate the valuable thing that is receiving for free. So in these cases we are told not to do this by a sentence like this: don't throw pears to swine. Okay, means you are wasting that, valuable thing. Instead of that, if you put this energy somewhere else, you might get a better result. Okay, so in these cases we use them. Let's look at these examples. Let's see if it comes to more light, Let's see what will happen. Alright, I'm afraid you are casting pears to swine. With your good advice, he won't listen. Okay, that's again the same thing I was explaining. So he won't listen. We are talking to someone, we are giving them advice, and good advice of course, and the other person observing us says he won't listen. The other person knows he more than we do. Says you are wasting your time. You are wasting that good advice, because he's not going to use it, he's not going to take it. So we are over here, pears are the advice, and swine is him, the person who is not going to listen. Alright, let's look at the other one. To sing for them is to throw pears before swine. Okay, before or to swine is the same thing. Before swine or to swine. And also cast or throw is the same. So if we say don't cast pears to swine or don't throw pears to swine, is the same thing. Okay, that's like you have some valuable gem in your hand and you just threw them. That's the picture. Okay, to sing for them is to throw pears before swine. Over here is the linking verb and acts as the equal sign. Okay, the person says to sing for them, some people, equals throwing pears to swine. That's the same thing. Maybe they are not listening, maybe they do not appreciate it, maybe they start talking to each other. Have you ever been in this case, in these situations? Maybe you play an instrument for a group of people, and as you start, they remember they had something to tell each other, and they start talking to each other, and they're not listening to you. They do not respect. Have you ever had this experience? I understand you. I really understand. I've been in this situation. Okay, over here, this friend who's is saying the sentence, has written the sentence, says to sing for them. So this person is a singer and feels that just singing to these people, singing is valuable, and they really do not appreciate it. That's why he says this equals this. That's the same thing. And now the third one. I took all my high quality equipment to them, but they didn't know how to use them. As they say, don't throw pearls to swine. Imagine you have taken all your, let's say your, okay, you've got lots of equipment for recordings, to record videos or these kind of things. You have taken all your setting to a friend and all your high quality, you have taken the best ones, not the cheap ones. You have taken the best ones to help the person, and the person even doesn't know how to use it. Then you feel you have wasted your time and you have done more than you should have, really. And you say this one too. You feel that way, and this is what you say. You feel you have done this. What you have done by checking equipment to their friend is like throwing pearls to swine, to pig. What would they do with pearls? Nothing. Okay, they really won't understand. If you give them some carrots, they will appreciate it. They will love it. So you are doing more than you're doing something that they really do not deserve, more than what they deserve. Alright, in these cases we use this. I think you've got something like this in your language as well. If you do so, please could you comment it below the video, just somewhere in the comment section, so that others could benefit from your comment as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.